Hello, Ken Stissel here with CR Onsrud, and I'm at our factory in North Carolina. And today, I'm going to show you one of our E-Series CNC machines we engineered to overcome some common manufacturing challenges facing a client of ours. This client currently has 4 CR Onsrud routers, and they were looking for a way to further maximize their throughput with the least amount of labor possible. They are a high volume manufacturer of learning environment furniture, which includes tables, chairs, bookcases, and desks for libraries and schools. They cut 5x5 and 4x8 plywood with common component nests. Their high volume demand naturally led to our dual table option, which supports pendulum processing, a technique where one table can be loaded and unloaded without interruption to machining on the other. The addition of a second 18 horsepower spindle allows them to cut 2 parts simultaneously, therefore doubling their production per cycle. This machine has twin 10-foot by 10-foot tables, each capable of holding up to 4 5x5 sheets or 2 4x8 sheets. The 2 independent heads have a special drill block that has 9 vertical spindles, 4 horizontal spindles, and 2 saw arbors, one for cutting in each direction. To help tackle the labor challenges, the machine will have 2 robots to load and unload parts, which means this entire compact work cell will be operated or fed by only 1 operator per shift and run 24/7. If you're struggling with production challenges, labor issues, and looking to maximize your output per square foot like this customer, then contact us at the information below so we can build an American-made solution for you. Thank you for watching this application spotlight. Take care.